Dude, you can totally see Jesus' crotch.
Your house is so boring.
I know, what do you want to do?
I don't know, I heard there's open museum across the street.
Alright, let's go.
Okay.
Where's the door to the museum?
Oh man, it's closed. Oh no, a guard dog. Run! Hey, it's open. Let's go. Let's go.
Holy crap, you sounded the alarm!
What do we do? I don't know. Take that converter right there. Yeah.
Better than nothing, let's go!
Wow, a converter. What are we gonna do with a converter? Yippee! Oh, let me just press a slow motion here. Slow.
What's wrong? Why are you looking at me like that? Is something wrong with me? Is there something wrong? What's wrong?
Patrick, why are you so slow? Play. Patrick, I've been here for like 20 minutes and all you done is like stand up.
Are you telling me that when you press slow on the remote, it actually made me go slow? Let me try.
I think so.
I'll put you in fast motion.
No!
Play. Well, that didn't do anything.
Are you kidding me?